The Business Day.
Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Leave our monies alone. That's the call from the president of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, the JAS, Lenworth Fulton. He's against the government's plan to make it easier to access money in dormant accounts. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
According to the law, monies left in dormant accounts for more than 15 years will automatically flow to the consolidated funds. The government wants to access the money much quicker. But in order to do that, it wants to make legislative changes to cut the waiting closer to 5 years. However, JAS President Lenworth Fulton is against that plan.
And you hear the government talking about $15 billion, which is dormant money in the Bank of Jamaica, which in one sense I disagree with, because if the dormant money is there, you must trace back that dormant money to who put it there in the first place.
The government has indicated that it plans to use the money to provide financing for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises. But the JAS president has a different strategy.
There is a law in the Administrator General Act or somewhere there where each one of us have a right to inheritance. So if my aunt, who died many years ago, and my uncles, I had money in there, I would be one of the person who should write through the Administrator General to get the money. What right have it? You have to now put it in government who is not a relative to my aunt. So why are we sitting back here as farmers to say why not pass the money through the Administrator General and publish who is the first cousin or nephew of these people to make the claim through there?
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Petrol prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 82 cents less. It will cost 34 cents less for automotive diesel, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 32 cents. Kerosene will sell for 36 cents less. Propane will cost 91 cents more, while butane will go up by 44 cents. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.04. The Canadian dollar sold for $103.97. Sterling is going for $174.62, while the euro closed at $149.66. The JC index gained 2,521 points today, while the junior market index is up 28 points. Among the winners today were Barita Investments, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Paramount Trading, Consolidated Bakeries and Pulse Investments. On the losing side were Raider Jamaica, KLA Group, AMG Packaging and Paper, Jamaica Producers and G West Corporation. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.